Yeah, pepperoni's the only meat. All the shredded cheese. No, you don't want toasted. You want some lettuce?
All the time. I mean, we founded the second, we started the Second Chance program probably 7 years ago. And I mean, that is what allows so many of the stories that you're hearing today are stories that have really big medical parts. And I mean, that is what we believe humanity should have a chance. And that's why we started the Second Chance program. And that's what it does.
Radio Dawn sponsored by the Sub Program Northeast Ohio Regional Center.
Okay, you got it. Hello, Dave. Anyway, they got this one up for you. Look at who. They got hoops up here. Huey. Sorry.
And you said rainbow sprinkles on chocolate? Okay, just like this? Okay. Yeah.
Did you want some pasta?
Martha thinks that young lady got to get in. The only thing I asked you for was the potato skins. That one's yours, Chris. It's going to be about 25 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
I don't like my haircut. It looks like a ball. I don't like my haircut. It looks like a ball.
You're gonna have the kids deliver it. It says you send the kids to eat it. And I'm like, well, abso-freaking-lutely not.
Right.
You know, I
But
mean,
you have to keep them until the sugar high wears off.
right, exactly. So yeah, that was the scoop there. But she left everything. She put all the.
So the armor cracked to near. Then you have all you have to do is just do one more and it'll completely crack. All you have to do is just do one hit. And then you're good.
See, that's the one thing I do make from scratch.
Time it's actually a spell, you can. Get there. Get there.
Them low like that. I like them up with the ceiling flushed. Into the yard. What is the date?
Today's Tuesday.
And I want this regular crab thing.
Okay.